नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। आई एम JVN डॉक्टर अनामिका अग्रवाल, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर इन द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी at Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the topic V and V life cycle. V and V means verification and validation, right? V मॉडल का मतलब क्या होता है? वेरिफिकेशन एंड वैलिडेशन मॉडल। ये वाटरफॉल मॉडल की तरह होता है, बस इसमें वी शेप लाइफ साइकिल होती है और उसमें सिक्वेंशियल पाथ होता है हर प्रोसेस के एग्जीक्यूशन का। हर फेज, ईच फेज मस्ट बी कम्प्लीटेड बिफोर द नेक्स्ट फेज बिगिन। नेक्स्ट फेज बिगिन होने से पहले पुराना फेज कंप्लीट होना चाहिए। V model is one of the many software development models. So the testing of the product is planned in parallel with a corresponding phase of V development model. You see in this figure, this is the development life cycle for verification phase, and this is the tester's life cycle for validation phase. So in this business requirement, then SRS, then HLD, high level design, low level design, coding, for the tester life cycle, unit testing, component testing, system integration testing, then system testing, after that acceptance testing. Okay, so the various phases of the V model are as follows, like requirement means like BRS and SRS begins the life cycle model, just like the waterfall model. But in this model, before development is started, डेवलपमेंट स्टार्ट होने से पहले सिस्टम टेस्ट प्लान क्रिएट किया जाता है। और ये टेस्ट प्लान होता है, उसका बेसिक फोकस क्या होता है, जो फंक्शनैलिटीज़ पे होता है बेसिकली, जो कि हर रिक्वायरमेंट गैदरिंग के समय ली जाती, स्पेसिफाई की जाती है, ठीक है। और हाई लेवल डिज़ाइन HLD का मतलब होता है दिस फेज focus on system architecture and design. It provides overview of solution, platform, system, product and service process. The integration test plan is created in this phase as well as in order to test the pieces of the software system ability to work together. The low level design means this is the phase in which the actual software components are designed. So it defines the actual logic for each and every component of the system, and for it defines actually the actual logic of each and every component of the system. The class diagram with all the methods and relations between classes comes under LLD, that is component tests are created in this phase as well. Now come to the implementation phase. It is again where all coding takes place. Okay, implement करना means coding वर्क करना। एक बार कोडिंग कंप्लीट हो गई तो एग्जीक्यूशन का पाथ आगे कंटिन्यू होता है। अब फ्रॉम द राइट साइड ऑफ द वी वेयर द टेस्ट प्लान्स डेवलप। राइट साइड मीन्स हमने क्या टेस्टिंग वाला जो एरिया देखा था जहाँ पे वैलिडेशन था, where the test plans developed earlier are now put to use. And coding, this is at the bottom of the V-shaped model. Module design is converted into code by developers. Unit testing is performed by the developers on the code written by them. Now come to the advantages of V model. It is simply an easy use. Testing activities like planning, test designing happens well before coding. So this saves a lot of time. Hence higher chance of success over the waterfall model. तो प्रोएक्टिव डिफेक्ट ट्रैकिंग, इसमें क्या है कि दैट इज डिफेक्ट्स आर फाउंड एट अर्ली स्टेज. सो दिस अवॉइड्स द डाउनवर्ड फ्लो of the defects works well for small projects where requirements are easily understood. Disadvantage क्या है? वी मॉडल का very rigid and least flexible. Software is developed during the implementation phase, so no early prototype of the software are produced. ये इसका डिसएडवांटेज हो गया. ठीक है, अगर कोई चेंज हो, बीच में कोई चेंज होता है तो जो टेस्ट डॉक्यूमेंट है अलॉन्ग विद रिक्वायरमेंट डॉक्यूमेंट हैज़ टू बी अपडेटेड. ये भी इसका डिसएडवांटेज हुआ. सो व्हेन टू यूज़ द वी मॉडल? The V-shaped model should be used for small to medium-sized projects where requirements are clearly defined and fixed. The V-shaped model should be chosen when ample technical resources are available with needed technical expertise. So, with confidence of a customer is required for choosing the V-shaped model approach, since no prototypes are produced and there is a very high risk involved in meeting customer expectations. So this is all about the V&V life cycle, and this session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it, and thank you so much.